Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Vietnam. We are staying in Ho Chi Minh City for the month, so I'm going to show you guys around this area, but first we're starting out with where we're staying. We are in the Thao Dien area and we're like right on the edge of it, which is District 2. So it's not right in the you know, all the tourist area, visitor area, all that kind of stuff. So kind of, you know, a livable area. Really liking this apartment so far. There is so much to it. So out here is the walk-in area. Nice little bench here to sit, put your shoes on, and a rack where you can hang all of your things. That's the door there. And really nice, as you can see, very spacious area here. I love this. It's got these closet doors built in and storage, using it for storing clothes and stuff like that. So that's nice. Got 6 of those. And then the kitchen is fantastic. It has so many great things. First of all, full-size fridge and freezer, as you can see right here, and the fridge, huge with all different features, as well as quite a few shelves on the door. And then the kitchen, yay, there's so many great things here too. Dishwasher, big thumbs up. Love having a dishwasher because, quite frankly, I just don't want to do dishes. And then we've got a toaster and the kettle. But, so there's the sink and then all these little storage things here, but look at all this storage up here as well. There's plates and we've got some food in some and the cups and all that kind of good stuff. And then here we've got a microwave, so there's no oven in this particular unit, and then a hob with 2 burners. One burner is a double, so it's a small and a big, and you can use whichever one you want, and then the back one is just a small one. They give you a ton of accoutrements. 2 different mocha coffee makers, a big one and a little one. And then look at all of these utensils, as well as a huge knife set. We've already kind of moved in and stocked up, so and this is all our stuff in here. Bought some spices and all that kind of good stuff. Now, something absolutely amazing is outside this mirrored door right here, and that is something that we rarely see in Southeast Asia, and that is not just a washer, but a washer and a dryer, and they're separate 2 things. I actually am doing laundry right now. Let me show you. Look at this. Okay, so this is the dryer drying, and I've already washed down here, so washer, dryer. Makes for a very, very happy me because I hate having to hang stuff up, you know, and having to mess around with that. So here's the rest of it. So let me just give you a quick glance at all of it and then we'll talk about it. Love that there's a table here with the chairs. This whole area, like I said, we've already moved in, so we've already better set our stuff out. Got computers and all that kind of stuff set up here. There's a little light, and love having the desk. All of these are drawers except for this big one. So 2 drawers there, and then this big one is not a drawer. So that's really nice. And then this space over here, first of all, can we just talk about this flamingo? It's kind of flickering here, but it's not flickering in real life. That's just the effect from the light. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty fun. And got a really nice view out here. We'll talk about that in a second. But look at this nice big TV here. It's huge. It's a Samsung. And they also have a Sonos sound bar, which is fantastic. The Xbox, we travel with it because we use it not just for video games, but for doing our streaming services. Yay. All of these are storage drawers down here. So there's 4 of these here. So that's really cool to have for storage space if you don't want stuff sitting out. Like I said, we're here for a month. So the thing is, we like to kind of settle in like we live here. So let's keep going. We've got, these are nice. You can use them as either tables with the tray, or you can just use them to put your feet on. Nice big couch. We could actually both sit facing each other, legs extended, almost be comfortable that way, or you can use this almost like a chaise and sit this way. There's really a lot here. Such a comfortable space. And these windows So as you can see, the pool is right here in this area. Lots of loungers and stuff. You can see people coming down there, swimming and such. As you can see, there's nobody down there right now. It doesn't seem to be super busy all the time, so that's great. There's always chairs and stuff available, and it's such a pretty area. Look at this. This all looks so pretty when it lights up at night, especially the Millennium Building over here. So just really pretty, and you can actually even see planes coming over here into the airport. It's 3 different buildings, and they're not connected to each other, but these buildings are all a part of the gateway area. And I'll put all that information in the description down below. There's also a kids pool down here, and these windows, in case you're wondering, for privacy purposes, they have a darkening film on there, so it's not like you're in a fishbowl. They're not looking up at you, although at night, if you have the lights on, then obviously people can look in, but during the daytime like this, nobody can see you because they have the darkening film on here. There's 2 different sets of curtains. There's this one to kind of lighten things up if you want to. Maybe at night, this is good. We usually put this out and just kind of do that, but then these are completely darken the whole thing, which is really nice because we have that in the bedroom also. But before we go into the bedroom, which is there, let's talk about the bathroom real quick, which is really quite nice. So we've got the sink, we've got 2 drawers on each side, and then underneath here, and they've provided tons of towels for us down here. So there's also a little bit of storage space there, and then we've got our sides here, nice big mirror and huge commode. It's actually really, really big. So when you sit in it, it's actually kind of funny because it's a little bit big to sit on. So you have to brace yourself when you're sitting on the toilet. All right, let's put some cute, you know, kind of tropical theme for the apartment, as you figured out probably, with the flamingo and 2 racks, so we can each put our towel out to dry. The shower is really nice. The temperature is so good. You can actually fully scald yourself in here, like legitimately burn yourself. If you're not careful. And it's got the handheld, but it also has the rain shower up above as well. And then you've got a window here that you can open up, and from what I can see, nobody's looking in at you when you're showering. If they are, they've got to have some really good vision, but you know, you just kind of go with the flow. So last thing we're going to look at is the bedroom right here. So you've got another full-length mirror right here on the side of the closet, and you've got the closet right here, this black area here. We're storing our suitcases here because we pulled everything out of it, and then we've got some clothes here hanging on the other side. Tons of hangers. Actually, you could hang literally everything we both own and still have plenty of room. And then you've got the drawers down here where you can store stuff there as well. So that's pretty good. The nightstands are nice because you've got the drawer, but then you've also got a power outlet here and a USB, and then here's the light switch for these little night lights right here next to the bed. The bed is a queen size, so it's not a king size like you would probably prefer, but the queen size is perfect for the 2 of us. That works out really well. And then same thing on this side, you've got your nightstand with the drawer, and then there are light switches on this side. You could control the overhead lights to the room. Same thing here with the film. Here's the view. You're a little bit closer now over here to this building. This particular unit is on the 6th floor of the Aspen, and we paid about $1,200 on Airbnb for the month. So that was a pretty good price, I think, overall. We're really enjoying it. It's a quiet building. It's got a guard. They have 24-hour desks downstairs. I think this is going to be a great place to hang out for the next month here in Ho Chi Minh City. Hope you guys will come back for a lot more. There is also a gym down there on the 4th floor where the pool is. So you do have a full gym as well. So we have so much stuff here to entertain ourselves with, as well as checking out a new city. So hopefully you enjoyed this and are along for more of the ride. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this unit, let me know. And yeah, we'll see you guys around the city.